The next step in our crazy leprechaun costume is adding in some glitter. Now there are a bunch of different ways to apply this. You can get like nice gel, which you then can smear all over your face. You can also get a spray, or you can also get some brush work, which will actually have this. In this case, you have a brush, which then has glitter inside the brush. That's how we're going to be applying this. And guys, leprechauns are magical creatures. Having some glitter around you is going to make you look a little more magical, a little more crazy leprechaunish, so don't worry about it. And now let's apply the glitter. You're going to want to do like nice, sweeping, broad strokes. Watch out, you might cough a little bit at this. Up over your nose, the bridge of your nose, basically on all exposed parts of your skin. If you're not like me and you don't wear glasses, first off, you can see this from home. Second off, you don't have to worry about applying it all around. Basically, keep applying this until you start getting a nice glittery glaze on your skin, at which time it's time to stop, and you now have a crazy yet magical leprechaun.